Okay, make sure to use a glass bowl. Make sure it's super clean. I use a lemon on the inside to make sure it's clean and wipe it off with a paper towel. And then we're gonna add the lemon juice and then start beating on medium low. Pretty soapy and foamy. We're gonna start adding the sugar. You wanna add the sugar a tablespoon at a time so it can dissolve. So I'm gonna do a tablespoon, add that, and then continue to beat. I'm gonna go even higher now. So I'm gonna stop and add another tablespoon. In total, I'm gonna add 3 tablespoons. And I found this is the best ratio for the sweetness that we like. You can play around with adding more, but the amount of egg whites, I would not add less. The peaks are starting to form more and more, but right about now, in about a few seconds, I'm gonna sift through the matcha. So you just wanna get everything prepared to sift through the matcha because everything is very timely with meringues. So we're gonna take a tablespoon of this matcha. So it can mix well. Okay, once it is just glossy and stiff peaks are forming, you're gonna want to stop. Do not overbeat it. So you just pour about 3/4 cups of almond milk. That's actually the perfect amount. That is not coarse, but it's perfect amount. And then just add your matcha fluff on top.